Hello, friends. Welcome to Unlocked Science by Mish Tab. No cramming, just understanding. Have you ever wondered how you breathe or how the oxygen you inhale travels to every part of your body? Have you ever thought about the heat you feel when something hot touches your body? Or how the body repairs itself once you are injured? Well, all these incredible processes begin with one thing: the cell, the smallest yet most essential unit of life. Therefore, by end of this topic, you will be able to define cytology and a cell, explain the cell theory, identify the different types of a cell, identify and describe the different parts of a cell, understand the importance of a cell in medicine. If you enjoy learning biology or chemistry in a clear and simplified way, kindly subscribe, share, like this video, and comment. Let's quickly dive deeper into cytology. Cytology is the branch of biology that deals with the study of the structure of cells using a microscope. And a cell is the basic functional and structure unit of an organism. All living organisms, no matter the size, are made up of cells. These cells are responsible for all body processes like respiration, digestion, locomotion, circulation, osmoregulation, to mention but a few in the body of living organisms. And these cells are so tiny to be seen by our naked eyes. Therefore, for us to see them and view their detailed structure, we need to use a microscope. A reason why my definition clearly says the study of structure of cells using a microscope. A cell and these microscopes have helped scientists to discover the principles of biology, the so-called cell theory, which states that all organisms are made up of one or more cells. The cell is the basic structure and functional unit of life. All cells arise from pre-existing cells. Dive deeper. Every organism has cells in its body. Some organisms are completely made up of one cell, and those ones are referred to as unicellular organisms, like the bacteria. And other organisms are made up of very many cells, and these are referred to as multicellular organisms, including animals and plants. A cell is a tiny factory where all the essential processes that keep an organism alive take place. A reason to why we include the basic and structural functional unit of an organism under cell theory. And all cells multiply by cell division. There is no cell that exists from nowhere. It must come from an old cell. These cells have different types, different roles, but a group of cells perform a function to form tissues. Tissues work together to form organs. Organs work together to form organ system, which now forms the complex living organism as seen in the picture. You can see all those lungs, kidneys, everything you see there is made up of cells. Well, we got two types of cells. That's the prokaryotic cells, simple and lack membrane bound organelles. Their DNA is spread in the cytoplasm. And we have the eukaryotic cells, and these have membrane bound organelles. They are complex and their DNA is enclosed in the nucleus. If you are interested in knowing more about cytology, interested in next part about cytology, that's the prokaryotic cell in details, eukaryotic cells in details, then the parts of a cell and importance of cells in medicine. Meet in the next video. Bye bye.